Today I will be diving into how to not just live longer but live better. Scientists call it Lifestyle Plus, a broader way of looking at healthy living that goes beyond diet and exercise to include sleep, environment, and even social connection. You are what you eat, but with so much conflicting diet advice, the key is simple: focus on real food and avoid ultra processed products. Engineered to be additive, ultra processed food spike blood sugar, add 500 extra calories a day, and raise risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, dementia, and early death. More than 4 servings daily increase mortality risk by 62%. Here is a tip: shop fresh food, read labels, and limit additives. Sugary drink raise mortality by 24%. Artificial sweeteners may disrupt metabolism and the gut. Excessive salt raises cardiovascular and brain risk. Carbohydrate, protein, fat. Choose unprocessed carb, get enough protein, especially for older adult, and focus on unsaturated fats like olive oil. Mediterranean diet power: fruits, veggies, legume, whole grain, nut, olive oil, and fish. Cut risk of heart disease, cancer, dementia, and death. Processed meat increases cancer risk, while plant-based diet lower diabetes, dementia, and cancer rate. Exercise may be the most powerful health intervention we have. Research highlight exercise changes nearly every tissue in the body. No pill can match it. 1 minute of exercise can add 5 to 8 minutes of life. 450 minutes of brisk walking a week adds 4.5 years of life. Regular exercise cut premature death by 31%. More than cardio, strength and balance matters, especially after 50. Just 60 minutes of resistance training weekly lowers death risk by 25%. Grip strength and one-leg balance predict longevity. Other benefits include boost mood, reduce depression, lower cancer risk, and protects the brain. Even 10,000 steps daily help prevent dementia. Sitting too long raises death risk by 16%, so keep moving. Sleep is as vital as food and water. Why sleep matters? Deep sleep clears toxins like beta amyloid linked to Alzheimer's. One sleepless night increases harmful buildup. Here is how much to sleep. About 7 hours is ideal. Both too little and too much raise risk of disease and early death. Yet nearly 40% of adults get less than that. Here is a tip: keep regular hours, exercise but not right before bed, eat dinner early, cool, dark and quiet bedroom, avoid blue light, and check for sleep apnea. Lifestyle also means looking at our surroundings. Air pollution raises risk of diabetes, heart disease, and early death. Microplastic and nanoplastics found in water, food, and even the brain linked to dementia, heart attack, and inflammation. Reduce by avoiding plastic container, bottled water, and processed foods. Forever chemical in packing, clothing, and water tied to cancer and organ damage. Other toxins like pesticide, heavy metal, secondhand smoke, and noise also harms health. Health isn't only biological, it's social. Loneliness raises death risk by 32%. Strong relationship protect health. Socioeconomic status impact lifespan as much as smoking, influencing diet, activity, and exposure to pollution. Cutting edge tools are expanding possibilities. Protein organ clock, blood test that reveals biological age of organ. Alzheimer's blood test predict risk decades ahead. AI driven diets personalizing nutrition to your biology. Here is the big takeaway: aging well isn't about one pill. It's about a lifestyle plus package. Eat mostly whole, plant-based foods, exercise regularly, cardio, strength and balance, get 7 hours of quality sleep, limit toxin and pollutants, build strong social connection. Together, these extend not just lifespan but health span more years free from chronic diseases. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science content.